So we've come away for one night, just to check out our new California Ocean, and we've arrived at Green's Caravan camping site in Stratford. Very small, 2 gates to get in, and then that's it basically. You've got 2 men's toilets I've just been in, and 2 men's showers and a toilet, and that's your lot. So it's quite small. This is it, and we're parked down there. Good spaces, as you see. Gravel, tarmac, lovely trees around them. It's right quite close to the dual carriageway, which they tell you about. But for us, as I say, we've just bought the California Ocean, so we're just now having a night's stop out to just check everything over, make sure it's all okay. So as I just mentioned, we've just arrived at Green's Camping and Caravanning near Stratford. This is our new van, which is California Ocean, and we've just come here for the night just to work out what we're supposed to be doing, because obviously we just had a beach and it's a little bit different. So I'll show you actually the van a little bit later, but for now just parked up and just getting everything ready. So one Molly just prepping herself. This is the first time in the van. Again, won't show you too much, but we're just setting up for this site. Comes with his very own bench, his very own space, and I'm about to plug in. And that's it for now. It is a really quick visit, but we'll show you more on the van as we go along. See you later. Sun's out. Got my sandwich. Got a nice time to traffic by. That was good. Oh, sorry, it's no dogs allowed. Oh well, it's too posh. Nice shop though, nice farm shop. Come on then, let's go back. Be a very, very short trip out. Just setting the heater, pre-time it when we come back from the pub.
But today's Tuesday, isn't it? It's Tuesday, isn't it? Five. I set it at 5:30.
Getting the van ready for when we come back from the pub. Obviously we're just going to go try the local pub because it's things you do. Blinds up. Van's ready. Mo, you ready? Okay, up to the pub. Oh, see, we're not used to this closing by itself bit. There you go. Let's go to the pub. Our first meal in the van, and we're going for Waitrose chicken balti and a gobi saag. And Molly's going for a butternut box, as usual, every night. Using the pan to try to avoid splashback. Well, wait for yours. Oh, where's your food? Where's your butternut box? It's looking lovely. Fried rice. Cook is busy. Molly, get your dinner in a minute. Get your dinner in a minute. Just waiting. So we all have our dinner, aren't we? Because you'll start mooching. Ready, Mo? Okay, wait. 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 Okay. Good girl. And our first dinner ready. Look at that, professional chef. Cooked to perfection. And one happy dog. The good stuff. Draft stout in a camping glass with a little bit left, but my first drink in the van. Obviously you get a lot of this. Perfect. Hit them all. Perfect. So now the heater's on. It's on 19 degrees. And it's keeping us toasty. We're on plug-in, so no need to worry. See the auxiliary heater? Continuous 5. So that is about 19, and you can see the fridge is on and we're hooked up. But yep, just gonna settle down for the night now and set up the Netflix. Probably put that on top of that because covered. and get ready for the Netflix night. Yeah, so in a minute the sofa's going to go down to reclining, another good feature on the California Ocean, so that we can have it in a semi bed and get the Netflix ready and then settle down for the night. Again, really happy. Put the roof down because it's going to rain about 4 o'clock in the morning and we're going to be going lunchtime-ish, so you don't want to get wet, so we're quite happy. It's snug and well, it's got the perfect spot there, and then yeah, just settling. And this is our one night camping, just to make sure everything works and we're happy before we go off on a bigger trip, which we're planning on doing next week. All good. I'll settle down and have a little glass of whiskey in a minute. Well, if I don't speak to you again tonight, which is highly unlikely, good night and see you in the morning. Morning, breakfast time, keeping it simple, coffee and porridge, and then just a relaxing morning. Had a wet night, but obviously warm, cosy, and just chilling for a little while. There we go, we have a flame. Coffee time. Beautiful. We're just packing up now, ready to go home. So we go. We've had a good night's stay. We know what we're doing. Everything works. Got the bag. I'll just leave it underneath the vehicle. It lays like that. And then unhook. Yeah. So this is basically the campsite. As I just said, that is it. So if you go down there and then walk around the border, about 10-15 minutes walk to a pub. Not the easiest to get to, but still there. And just down there there are toilets, toilets and 2 showers, so not many, but the showers are good, toilets are good, and there's not that many people here, to be honest, as you can see, or even when it's full. This is it. So yeah, we're about back up now and then head on the way. Okay, packed up. Come on, Mel, let's go. Ready to go? Okay, let's go. Say goodbye. Oh, I do like that self-locking mechanism.